Hello guys and welcome back to another video and I'm Black Strong and today I'm gonna do Blizzard Showcase. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna show the Z move. You see the snowflakes. It shoots 6 shurikens made out of snow. You see the particles, it's looking so good. Okay, so now let's lose it. Status 3917 damage. Not bad. Okay, by the way, Blizzard is a Lugia type, so you won't take damage. That's good for warning. The X move is these. Look, if you hold it, these things gets bigger. Oh, so let's use it. It shoots like a tornado. Okay, so now third move, Howling Wind. Well, pull up the NPC. It's really good. And the flight, it does damage too. Well, Let's see how much damage it does in 1 second. I see 9962 damage. Okay, now the V move, the ultimate domain expansion. Freezing arena. It's really good. It doesn't do much damage, but it's kind of good for combo. Okay, so let's kill this one, then I'll show a combo. Second. No, 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 no. Bro. 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 These 18. Helen, I don't care. But my bounty, it was 4.4 million. Oh, by the way, if any of you want to join my crew, then you can join. Just tell me the username in the comments, and I'll add you. Then I will add you to crew. Yes. Okay, let's time for the combo. See, it's pretty good. 27,000 damage. It's really good. Just only try using it too. Oh, they call like Smink. Ah, Adam. Okay, bye bye guys. And I'll showcase another fruit next time. And you can also tell me which fruit should I showcase next. Bye bye guys.